Greetings. So today is day 2 in the countdown for the season of love. And the Alafia Wellness season of love is simply that. It's 40 days of tuning in to my YouTube channel, Alafia Wellness, and doing activities that are led by me. These activities will increase your spiritual life, your balance, your peace, your forgiveness, and allow you to manifest and love on yourself unconditionally with a sacred level of abundance that we all deserve. I think that this idea came from the meditation and affirmation group that I had last April online, and a lot of my folks have been super loving and encouraging of me to try it again. So this year we'll be trying on Wednesday, February 17th will be day 1 of 40 days, and each day you'll tune in again on YouTube, subscribe below, and just find something that's good for your soul. There'll be spaces in the comments for folks to leave how it went, how you're feeling, and for newbies who are joining us, I will be sending out some swag for new subscribers. So please, please, please share with a friend, bring a buddy along, have somebody with you to keep you company on this spiritual journey. And just remember that there's no perfection. You're welcome to come, to send questions, to bring a friend or come alone. But please give up the notion that you don't have time to love on yourself, to take care of your spiritual walk and your spiritual journey, to move your body and make your mind feel good. Get over that. That's what we're giving up this Lent. We're giving up the idea that we don't have time for ourselves. And a better you is a better world. So please join me. It's day 2, 2 more days before we get started. I look forward to seeing you soon at Alafia Wellness on YouTube and alafiaforwellness.com.